Come with us to Dixie Orchards. It's a super cute farm. I've been there once. He has not been there at all. And they do hazelnut picking. I don't know. That's something, it's not super common out this way. I think it's like an East Coast thing, I think I heard. But they have one location and I want to go get some more just for the holidays and stuff. It's good to have so many. You can use it in so many desserts. And then they also have animals and wagon ride. They have all sorts of stuff. So, yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come along. Enjoy the ride.
A wagon ride. Why do you look at me like that? It's also supposed to be beautiful out. So like, I don't think we're going to get many more beautiful days. We're almost the end. It's almost Halloween, end of October. So let's take in as many nice days as we can, especially with the kids. Right. Get them out of the house. Because for the winter, we're going to be stuck inside. So come along. You are right. There is a piggy. Did you hear me? Buddy, is that a cow? You love it. Look, there's some chickens. Yeah?
And the piggy got fat.
Oh, the piggy farted? Uh-oh. Oh, it did?
What is that?
That is funny, eh?
That is funny, eh?
Look at the cow here.
Aw, so cute.
It is so cute. You're right.
Look. And then
Look, there's a cow.
cow.
I know, you love it, eh?
I want it.
You want it? I want it too. They're so stinking cute.
Want in the pet?
Okay, when they come around you will, okay? Uh-oh.
No, Lily.
This is so silly. Piggy's mad at the goat.
The man is a goat.
You can pet him. Good boy.
Cute.
It is cute.
A baby cow.
A baby cow.
So cute.
It is so cute. Do you see all the chickens?
I love the chicken.
There is, and the cat, and the piggy, and the goat. Oh, careful. The tractor. Was that cool? No, it wasn't cool. Not surprising. We going hazelnut picking? Okay. Is the airplane there? That's more exciting. Ooh, it's a little bright. Here, let's push you over here. There you go. So, this is hazelnut picking. We did it a few weeks ago, actually. I went with my mom and loved it. So, we are back for another beautiful, I don't know, I hope it's not the last most beautiful weekend of October, but it's gorgeous out and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So, perfect day to do this. This is what it looks like. They grow in like these little pods. Some of these are already picked, so that's fine. We can just pop them out, and that's what you take, and then you crack it at home. And you can freeze them. The lady told me last time, so many different instructions. Super fun. So let's get picking. One of the interesting facts they said is that when they're actually ready to pick, they're on the ground. So I do pick them from the pods too, but you can see they're all over the ground and they're not eaten. They're not like anything weird. They're just perfect looking. So you can just pick them off the ground and obviously clean them. And when you crack them, you can put them in the oven and roast them and then freeze them or eat them raw, which we did too, or make some fun recipes. It's actually super fun. And we've never done this. We didn't even know this place existed for like the 10 or 11 years we've lived in Ontario. But this is definitely going to be a new tradition because especially for the holidays, I find like nuts are great. Again, like just eating raw or like there's so many recipes you can do with them, but it's just so cool. I'm so excited we found this place. It's called Dixie Orchards and they have so much, they have like apple picking and stuff here too. Hudson and Dan are looking at the animals because that's what obviously Hudson wants, and Brookie came with me. Me the hazelnut. Wow. So cool. So far we've had this picked and we are going to pick more. So this is what I've picked so far. I might pick a few more, but this is pretty good. Super excited. Yeah, like we'll use this for so many different things. I guess the only annoying thing is having to open them all, but it's worth it. And I'm a sucker for all farm stuff. I love doing apple picking, pumpkin picking, though sometimes we just go pick it up from different farms that are like, some of them that are already picked. We've done strawberry picking. I've even seen like peas, though we haven't tried that yet. But yeah, you can do so many different things and I just love it. And the kids love it on a nice day. It's perfect. Just, yeah, I like getting out and it's just fresh and there's so many activities to do on the farm, which is also great. But yeah, so yay, that's a success. We're walking back to find Hudson and Dan. We see these little guys in the trees. Oh my goodness. You always have some naughties. So cute. They must have got out of their coop. Oh, I want chickens. I found them and it seems like they had a fun time doing all sorts of stuff. The wagon, everything. The wagon ride, pumpkin patch, all sorts of stuff. You're happy now?
Look.
Yeah, you're right, it is a chicken. Hi, chicken.
No, Daddy's gonna hold it, puppy.
Another loose chicken. They seem to fly out of the coop a lot.
I would imagine they do.
No, we just saw it happen. Yeah. It just jumps up and then takes off. It's so cute. She's always ready to break it down. Pet a goat? Okay, we have to wait. Where's the goats? Let's check this way. Here's a goat, honey.
Are those good ones?
Careful.
You went through all of them?
No, but from what he said,
Well, we should sort them in case they're going to be more fun.
We can go back and forth.
Oh, Ed. You love the goat? Oh, careful, okay? You have to be gentle. Oh, you're such a good boy. Oh. It's what? That's so nice, yes. It's so gentle. Oh, honey. You love it? You love the goat? Oh. These ducks always walk in a group. It's the cutest thing ever. Look at the ladybug. Oh, ladybug come on the farm?
Come.
It's so little. Oh, it flew away. The ladybug went to the farm. Yeah. Yeah, fly away. Look at her, she's like, she likes the chicken. Aww. You're saying hi to the chicken? We can't go too close though. We have to be careful, okay? Oh my goodness. Look how cute the piggy is. Oh. What noise is it making? You're right. Yeah.
Look up.
Oh, is the goat on? Oh, the goat is up. It's up the stairs. What sound did the piggy make? You're right. So it's the next day. We're just running to do a few errands, like Costco, Bulk Barn, Walmart, and there's a place called Farm Boy just because we're doing a barbecue tonight, even though it kind of looks kind of terrible out. It's warm, but it's just so windy, and I think it's supposed to rain, but we do have like a pretty shaded area or covered area, so like hopefully that helps because that's our only option for dinner tonight. Come along and enjoy the chaos. I feel like it's always chaos. First stop of the day is Bulk Barn. I got what I needed and about to check out and head to the next place. Into Costco we go. You go for the furthest carts available and then all of a sudden there's so few there.
Not the way it goes.
It's like life. A little whole toolkit. That's cute.
It's actually cool.
Okay, we'll spin in a second, okay? Ooh, look what we have. Your muffins. Do you love these? Muffin. Yes, muffins to eat. Our little Costco haul. So we had a weather warning just from severe rain and wind. Wasn't that bad, but I had to run out to Walmart and got what we needed. And then it did actually start raining really hard. You can hear it like throughout the store. I completely forgot to get hamburger buns. So when I got home, I had to actually run back out. It was just annoying. And this is why I look even crazier with my hair curly and stuff. It was pouring out, so I got kind of drenched, but it's fine. I have to shower anyways. Yeah, so we ate and now we got the kids down to sleep, and now it's my turn to kind of like get cleaned up and get ready to sleep because I am definitely tired, definitely ready. Yeah, it was a good day overall and we had a fun weekend. I swear the weekends just fly by. It's the craziest thing. It's so depressing. I feel like in a blink of an eye, it's always gone. And actually my brother and Dan went to like a haunted house last night, so that's where they were, and they went to dinner, so that was nice. But yeah, so last night it was just the kids and I, and it was really, yeah, fun. So everything was good. It was a nice weekend overall, and it was really warm, so that was also a plus to maybe, well, it's probably the last weekend that it was going to be so nice because yeah, we're getting there. And yeah, so I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you like and subscribe and follow along. We have lots of videos coming up and some fun things coming up. So yeah, we would love to have you stay around and hopefully build this great community with you guys. But have a great week.